Dollar is sold for 640 naira black market today. If you've never thought of making money in dollars, now it's time you do that. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can make money in dollars from the comfort of your home. All you need to get started is just your mobile phone. So in case you don't have a laptop, it's not a problem. And you can do this with zero capital. You don't need any form of investment. I'm going to show you how you can get started and even how you can make money as soon as possible. What's up, family? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk about money, how to make money both online and offline. Imagine making $5 every day from the comfort of your home, all using your mobile phone. Let's do the maths. $1 is 640 naira multiplied by 5. That gives you 3,200 naira daily from the comfort of your home. So you want to watch this video from beginning to the end, so you get to see the 3 of them. If the first one is not something you like, you can go for the second. If the second is not okay, you can go for the third. The first on my list is Amazon KDP. KDP Books is basically you selling books to millions of buyers across the world. All you need to do is just list your book on Amazon. The stress of getting people to see the book, make the sales and collect the payment is done by Amazon, and your money will be remitted to you. Now I can hear you say,
"But I'm not an author, I don't know how to write, I have not written a book before."
Don't worry, it will even surprise you to know that people are making thousands of dollars on Amazon every day selling books that they did not write. So there are platforms, websites that will allow you get books that were written by other people who give you 100% right to use this book the way you want it. So all you need is go over to this website, download those books, go on Amazon, list those books and start making money selling them. So the name of this secret website where you can download free books, then go on Amazon and start selling them is Free PLR Books. All you need to do now is head over to this website, pick a niche, a topic you want to sell books on, go through the thousands of books listed there, download the one you want, package it for sale, then go on Amazon and start making money. Now I already created a video on how to get this book downloaded and even how to repackage it for sales. Here is the video. The second simple thing you can do today to start earning in dollars is YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, or you have one but you've not been serious, now is time you get serious with it. I need to let you know YouTubers make money daily on YouTube from their videos. All it takes is just create a YouTube channel for yourself, which is free. All you need to create a YouTube channel is just a Gmail account with your mobile phone. In a simple step, you create a free channel for yourself. Now, here's a video that will guide you on how to create a YouTube channel for yourself. Then you go on and start sharing anything you are good at. You can make money teaching any topic on YouTube. It could be how to cook, how to dress up, how to style shirts, how to speak, how to read ABCD, even how to speak your dialect. You won't believe that people are getting paid on YouTube teaching others how to speak their local language. So it doesn't matter the language you speak. There are so many people outside there who are looking to learn your language. Yes, people are waiting for you to teach them how to speak your language. So all you need is just sit down in your house, record a video of yourself speaking your language, upload it on YouTube, people watch the video. Once your channel is monetized, you'll start earning every day. Now, in case you're saying to yourself,
"But I don't know anything to teach, I'm not good at anything."
Look at this, and this. These are people teaching as simple as how to smile, how to cook white rice, how to boil eggs, how to speak your local language, how to read ABCD. These are simple things you can do. Now, the problem you may have is that you don't know how to create and optimize a YouTube channel. You don't know the kind of videos or niches that perform very well on YouTube. You don't know how to get video ideas so you can create consistent videos. You don't know how to create videos step by step, how to make a quality professional videos. You don't know the tips, strategies, tricks and hacks that will help you grow your channel. To help you get it right and get started on YouTube, I'm about creating a mini course that will guide you on those important things you need to know and do to get started as a YouTuber. So this mini course will be launching early next month. So if you'd like to learn the secrets and strategies to growing a YouTube channel and getting monetized, even making money before you get monetized, you want to get this mini course right now at a pre-launch price before the price goes up once it launches. The link to get the course is contained in the description of this video, as well as the first comment. When you click on the link, it's going to send you to a payment page where you are going to pay for the course. By 3rd of August, the mini course will be out. Yes, this is my little way of helping you get started and achieve success on YouTube. So click on the link to get the course at a pre-launch price. Now, the third way of making money in dollars is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses you can start today with 0.00 naira. Yes. You don't need any form of investment. Now, when it comes to earning a lot of money as affiliate marketer, there are 2 important things you need to pay attention to. The first one is your niche, your audience. Who are the people you want to sell to? Whose problem do you want to solve? The second one is product. Choosing the right product for your audience. If you're able to get these 2 things right, making money from affiliate marketing is so easy. So all you need is sit down and pick a profitable niche. By profitable niche, you need to ask yourself, whose problem do I want to solve? What group of people do I want to serve? It could be bloggers, pregnant women, people that are newly married. It could be students or just young adults who are looking to make money. Once you narrow down your niche, you're able to pick your people. The next thing would be, what kind of problem do they have that I can provide solution to? So once you get such product, you go on and promote it to them. Now, a lot of people will be interested because it's a problem they are looking to solve. Then go on and gather them, start telling them about the problem and the solution you have for them. Go on to teach them, educate them, enlighten them. Let them know the problem, why they need to solve it, how to solve it, and even what will happen if they do not solve the problem now. You simply recommend the product you are promoting to them. Yes, it's just like telling them this is the problem, and then because you have a problem, you need a solution. Now, this is the solution to your problem. Now, as an affiliate, your job is to drive traffic to the product you are selling. So once any of them buys this product, you get your affiliate commission. So here are the 4 simple steps to making money as an affiliate. First, you pick a niche, a group of people whose problem you want to solve. Second, you pick a product. What is that product you are going to sell to them? Third is to go on and get your affiliate link. So this is the link you send to them that whenever they make payment through this link, you get paid a commission. And the fourth one is to get the audience, educate them, and start marketing to them. Now, the best part is that once you build audience around that product, you can sell to them over and again, and even sell different products to them. Yes, you can sell as many products as possible to your audience. And the best part is, some of these affiliate programs give you a lifetime access. That means once you get them a customer, that customer becomes your own customer for a lifetime. Even when the customer buy other products from that same company, they still give you a commission. There are a lot of affiliate programs you can sign up for. First one is Share a Sell. Share a Sell is open worldwide, so anybody can sign up. The second good affiliate program is Fiverr. A lot of people are making money on Fiverr from their affiliate programs. You have JVZoo, CJ, and the rest of them. The best way to get affiliate program that sells any product you want to promote is to go on Google and type whatever the product is, then you put affiliate program. Google will show you lots of affiliate programs you can sign up and start promoting immediately. If, for example, you want to promote wristwatch, just go on Google and type wristwatch affiliate program. You are going to see tons of affiliate programs on this. Then you go on and select the one you want, click on it, get your affiliate link, and start promoting it immediately. I hope this guides you on how to get started making money in dollars from the comfort of your home. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.